Like even with Vybz, you know, it's like people don't even understand how him change the game, you know. That's true.
Rise like the sun from the east. God knows. Me no care how them vex. People are dying through loneliness.
Costa Rica, I'm leaving. Sorry, the promoter didn't get the permit, so there will be no show. So I'm out.
Again.
Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside. When Nandi, you know it's your boss, Nandi Night Billing. So we have some topics to break to you today, guys. As it pertains to Aidonia, Vybz Kartel, Mavado, and Alkaline. So we see where Aidonia went on the fix and he was speaking about Mavado changing dancehall game and also speaking about Alkaline, how he was once bullied in the genre when he just came out and it was like everybody wanted him to pick a side or everybody wanted him to say what he didn't want to say. So we have some topic about him and also we have another topic with him also where he was stating about Massacre when his son had passed away, when Aidonia's son has passed away, you know, Khalif, and he was saying that Massacre reached out to him and sent this condolence and whatsoever, but he was saying that, Jano, if you don't say, as somebody where people are say your enemy and so forth, and now your enemy reach out to you, and then if they reach out to you and telling your condolences to your passing is a good look, and that is what helps him to mend his differences with Massacre. So we have that topic for you, and also we have a topic where we see Vybz Kartel show was cancelled in Costa Rica and he came out and he stated whatever he has to state about the event, saying that because of his permit, why the show didn't go on and so forth. And also the Costa Rica promoter also came out and also spoke in Spanish, but you know, most of them don't understand Spanish. But for all who understand the Spanish, supposed to can understand it. So you have that clippings for play for you. And then Aidonia also where he went to the UBS Arena in the United States in New York and it was sold out. It was the likes of Shensia, the likes of Jada Kingdom, the likes of Mavado, Governor, Sizzler, and a lot more performance there. So it was a good look for dancehall over the weekend, and definitely people check out this vlog and let me know what you think about this vlog. You know it go. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share and hit that post notification bell. So let's get to the topics, people. So in this clipping, Aidonia was stating that Mavado had changed the game with his Sing J style and his catalog is a different catalog from every other artist. His catalog was amazing. And he was also stating that when Mavado came on the scene with the Sing J style, a lot of artists had to adapt and had to change up them style and create this melody form of music. So listen to clippings and hear where Aidonia for the people.
Mavado catalog crazy.
Yeah.
You see me?
Cranium did I say like, you
Crazy.
know, him have underrated girl
Mavado.
something there.
Girl
And as
song
a
and
king
catalog.
of
Like
girl songs.
like even with Vybz, you know, it's like people don't even understand how him change the game, you know.
That's true. Even Cartel would say the same.
Okay,
Him
fine, yes, he's
really
a CJ.
because when him forward this so, cause I must say from this all lyrics, blah, 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 blah. And when Vybz forward, dog, and go and slow down the game, this so, brother.
No, because the thing is that he must sing certain badness.
Brother, everybody
and
can-
you hear every word with clarity and he must sing it as some
Brother.
bad melody.
Yeah.
Like just sound
him
bad.
change the game right there, so right so the game kind of change and artists kind of start structure them music different. You see me? Cause the flavor what him forward with. I remember say Vybz go maybe like about like brother Vybz go maybe like about 10 or 11 or 12 number one straight, you know, like him first 12 song them. I so crazy like him start out on a crazy
Rookie
run, bro.
season, eh, bad.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Him start up on a crazy run, so man start off structure them song now, and you know say more melody and man I try bend them voice some different here. Him change the game.
So as y'all hear it for yourself, you know, people, Aidonia say it, you know, definitely Mavado had changed the game back then, you know. And we see coming forward in the recent years of 2025 and the modern generation where the youths of today, they must sing with more melody and so forth. You know, the likes of even Alkaline and many more artists, even Popcorn, I would say that took that kind of style from Mavado with the melody and so forth where, you know, the melody take over and Massacre also start the melody songs. A lot of artists do melodious type of song. Artists hardly spit a bag of lyrics. So the melody definitely will give that to Mavado. Mavado really changed the game. Yeah, man. But on another topic, we see where Aidonia was speaking on Alkaline as it pertains to him being bullied in the dancehall space when he just came about on the scene and stating that everybody was coming down on him, everybody was trying to bully him and so forth. So listen where Aidonia have to say, people.
How the linkage with your Alkaline go on? I feel like enough people when them see the linkage they go on at first, like, them was surprised. Like, how that go?
You know, that whole link they actually kind of happened through Marcus. You know, that a youth from New York, you see me? I'm a friend that from a long time. Most of them show them, I don't know him and things. So, you know, him kind of make the link and me talk to Kerry. You see me? But Kerry and Kim went to school together. So them know each other from school days, you know. So, like, me was one of the hungry man them where when the whole industry want pre-alcohol, I say pre the youth for what? You know, if him want to talk, say him want to talk, so bro. Film career, him do film things like, you don't want to bully the youth for say. Where you don't want him for say. But I suppose to free mind, him supposed to talk how him feel and defend what him want to defend, dog. You see me, I have to respect him for that because him a defend for him thing, but you know them go bullies him. You not work with them, no try fight him, can't stop him, they must make him bigger.
Are you can relate?
You understand? So, I see him, you know. So,
I'm glad how Aidonia shed a light on what took place in the dancehall space back then, because it was once seemed as if this was never true or it wasn't something that was going on the scene, but definitely it was a thing where they were bullying Alkaline, not just the fans, but even the industry also was trying to bully him. Like, you know, when he went on the Winford Williams show and so forth, he was being like Winford that tried to push on an agenda upon him or a narrative upon him. And also I try to lily down the youth thing, I smile up the youth to make it look like, say, yo, he must give him career to somebody or he must bow to somebody or whatever. So definitely me can respect the fact that Aidonia shed some light upon it and speak what him have to speak about. As he was saying, you know, he was also bullied to, you know, for pick a side. As he was saying that back then when there was the Alliance and the Gaza Empire and so forth, he was trying, they wanted him to pick a side where he had to go to Vybz Kartel and become one of Vybz Kartel. You know, look a soldier where he was singing songs like Addy and My Daddy and so forth, because, you know, the segregation thing and the pick side thing was a known thing back then. So definitely can respect Aidonia for, you know, speaking up towards that situation where happened with Alkaline. And to this day, we see where it's like Alkaline is still being bullied, but, you know, him not really answer to nobody, him not address nothing. So we respect that, and for know say the youth still a go strong and still around the game same way, still a dominate. It's a good look for the youth.
Yeah, you link up with Kartel since him come out?
no.
You guys spoke?
No.
Why?
It just not happen.
So yeah, my people, me have Aidonia here shall speak on the Vybz Kartel situation where he haven't linked up with Vybz Kartel yet. He don't know what, but in due time it may happen. But he was stating that the link up with Vybz Kartel him don't know why not happen, because Vybz Kartel at some point portrayed himself to be an enemy of him or other artists in the genre. Because you guys remember one point when Vybz Kartel was making numerous of posts on his Instagram platform when he was behind bars stating, oh, them artists are idiot artists and Ray and blah blah blah. And he also interjected Mavado in his conversation also. So listen what I don't have to say as it pertains to the whole situation, people.
Yeah, you link up with Kartel since him come out?
No.
You guys spoke?
No.
Why?
It just not happen. Yeah.
Energy?
No, not energy.
Oh.
Not energy. But
Just time.
yeah, it just not happen. You know them type of way there.
Did me say prefer
Just
on a
not
show I did refer to people as your enemies and say, you see, me are the only person who big up my enemy then.
Yeah.
So you still see him as an enemy?
I'm more to some things, you know, but remember say the whole vibe and the whole thing of over the years, you know, like he portrayed himself as being everybody's enemy. You know, so it's not like even you say I'm enemy, he might tell us say, yeah, I'm enemy. So from a man tell us say I'm enemy, shadow you watch.
I guess.
Draw your line and watch.
Out of war, 48 lots.
You understand? You draw your line and watch. And as me say, remember say I don't want social baby, so me no come on social media and feed the people things, you know, that are strength enough people. You know, them just come and, you know, and feed, feed some things. So like I wasn't that, but if a man draw a line and say, yo, yeah me this, yeah me that, you know, but throughout that, you know, me one of the youth to always say, yo, You don't know, big him up, said we and said
Yeah.
we and said we
And
because
say unity.
Yeah.
my heart clean.
Yeah.
You understand that I one thing with me and I keep me going and I keep me blessed. My heart clean, brother. So me still big you up all if you know like me. I'm a fee for big you up tonight. Me I big you up.
But
see
you think
You
there's
see
a...
me? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Like that.
Oh,
yeah.
that, yeah.
So if my fee for big you up, yeah, with my drink I'ma feel nice and tonight you're good to get a big up. That's how it works. Yeah.
And then the next night,
So your viewers and subscribers, let me know what you guys think about what Aidonia was saying in the comment section. Share your thoughts and let me know. So on the other topic, people, we see where Jada Kingdom was performing in the UBS arena, and Jaja God, when you see Jada Ocean bend over, the whole of underneath her show people, watch the clippings here and let me know what you guys think about, because is this professional or unprofessional? Let me know what you want to think about these people.
You want me to relax myself and hold me composure, but you want me to...
So we see where some of our dancehall's hitmaker went to the UBS arena in New York and shell it down, sell out the whole crowd. So they went there to shell it down to celebrate also Aidonia's 28th anniversary in the dancehall space. And it's a good look for Aidonia because as you can see on the screen, people, the crowd will pack a big phone light and millions of phone light. And people, it's a good look. We see Mavado, we see Sizzler, we see Jada, we see Shensia, Aidonia, Governor, so much more performance there. So people, watch this and let me know what you guys think.
Some of them have the sex, y'all must be mental. Them a fuck the credential, you know want to the oral. Oh, the dress, me no put you. Me have the size, so me and no fun and do me wanna follow. Me like it up and no man I'm like Roland. Back position, so no boy can't try program me. Rebel from here one, real bad.
Yeah, my people, so it's a good look for the dancehall scene and the dancehall genre and the artists them will do it because, you know, the UBS arena sell out countless of shows the artists them a sell out from the other day. And a big arena them a sell out no local club, no local nightclub and so forth. So it's a good look for dancehall and the artists them a do them thing. And you know, the artists them also come together and form a unity and a push the genre worldwide, you know, so it can get bigger and bigger and so forth. But on another clippings we see where Governor came out and giving Aidonia his flowers, stating that Aidonia did so much for the genre also and made him into a millionaire, make him there because, you know, guys, he once was called Diablo in a dancehall space. And for sister him change him name to Governor now and make it big and dominate the space where him in right now. It's a good look for him, and you know, him just give him flowers and I give Aidonia him praises and make him know so yo youth, you do it. Watch the clippings of people.
If you love Aidonia, I want to guy from side to side. I want to more more nice than that. You guys are looking beautiful. You need to come off and support Aidonia and enjoy yourself for the way of blanket. Yo, power you. Then make your flowers. But you, when I greatest to ever did it. No. Marcus, well done, hear that? This is the last time. This is the last time. You be it. I feel like a champ right now. My legs for the back. I'm running at the front right now. We start up to the man right now. I want your way all for like this. Where's the night is for the place? Where's the Aidonia? We are the Mavado. We are doing it for the no, man, I have the death on your side. Please, next time.
Yes, man, it's a good look for our music, you know. It's always good to celebrate with artists, them, you know, give them flowers when they are here because, you know, life is not forever for no one. So, this is the artists, them out here, I do the work and I put in the work also. It's definitely a good look and we must appreciate them because sooner or later we won't have them forever. So, it's a good look. Definitely, good look.
Dancehall win again. Yeah, man. Dancehall win again. Aidonia. Yeah, man. Aidonia show in the arena there. Yeah, man. Aidonia show in the arena there. Yeah, man. In New York. Great performance. Every artist deliver. Yeah, man. Every artist deliver. You see, I am for dancehall. Yeah, man. I am for dancehall.
So people, after Vybz Kartel show was cancelled over the weekend, we see where Mavado show is cancelled also in the UK. I don't know what's going on, but it was stated that Vybz Kartel show was cancelled because of permit issue and he wasn't able to work. He wasn't able to work in Costa Rica. So I don't know what's the case between Mavado's show, but both artists show cancelled. But listen to where some of the people them have to say about the show's people.
Mavado, you have just ruined my bank holiday weekend because what do you mean your show is cancelled? Sorry. Explain to me why it's cancelled. Why does the email not say anything? I remember when you were here last year, I came to see you in Croydon. It was a 10 out of 10. I wanted that experience again, but in a proper venue where you could actually get a drink. Croydon was ghetto as hell. But honestly, why is it cancelled? Because there was nothing, no reason. Last time you had your show in Nottingham, it was rescheduled because of illness. This has just been cancelled. Why is it cancelled?
Mavado's cancelled his tour again. So next week is supposed to be his tour and the O2 is all being cancelled. I've tried to research it. I've tried to look online. I don't know why. Can someone please tell me, or if anyone knows why Mavado has cancelled his tour again? Last year he cancelled and he rescheduled. This year he's cancelling again. 1 week till Mavado. 1 week and he's cancelled. Does anyone know what's going on?
What the hell? What the hell?
So yeah, my people, the girls, them a go crazy, you know, them a wonder how Mavado show cancel last minute after 8 days remaining before the show keeps. So, I don't know what happened, but you make me know in the comment section what you think happened or what if you have any idea of what took place, let me know in the comment section. Cause Jaja, this is crazy. Too much cancer show, so much cancer show in a such short space of time. It's just crazy, bro.
This is Vybz Kartel. And on behalf of the promoters and myself, I'd like to apologize to the people of Costa Rica for not being able to be at the show tonight. Now, we know it was a very well anticipated event, but it was something that the promoter and I tried assiduously to solve, but to no avail. But we are working closely in seeing how we can best resolve the problem. But until then, Costa Rica, look out for Vybz Kartel in the future. That is the greatest.
What I want to know is that they didn't take the necessary protocols to make sure all of the permit intact and every document is set and prepared so that when the show goes on or when the show is about to go on, you know, have everything up front. So it's just crazy why these shows are cancelling last minute because Vybz Kartel was supposed to perform Sunday, which is tonight. And I don't know what happened, the show just not keep. I think it was tonight or last night he was supposed to perform, but Jaja, people, it's just crazy how the show just canceled last minute, and also Mavado show also canceled last minute. It's just a crazy thing. You can't, dancehall artists can't set the precedent for this situation where the shows them are cancelled and promoters now have no faith in them and so forth. So, remember knowing in the comment section, people, what on you think it's the reason why these shows are being cancelled. So people, me have a clippings here. So with Nika Fire, say some things about Aidonia as it pertains to him and dominating the dancehall space when Vybz Kartel was behind bars, and how Aidonia made a lot of younger artists took over and run the place over him. But what I want to say is that even in the interview that Aidonia was stating that wasn't his thing to do, to just run the business and control the business. He wasn't that type of artist who will seek the attention and want to be the center of attention. So listen to what Nika Fire officer, people.
So I watch an interview where Aidonia said they have to compare some artists to him because him have a lot of dancehall hits. However, I'm not going to debate on that. Yes, he have a lot of dancehall hits, but he haven't break the international barrier yet. And Aidonia biggest hit, yeah, we're the closest to go across over internationally. However, I don't get compared to other artists both before you and after you, because Massacre is doing well in dancehall, and also Alkaline was doing well and is doing well too in dancehall, but it hasn't been consistent as a Massacre. Like I said in a previous video, Alkaline create a bigger impact in dancehall than Massacre. However, Massacre is more consistent than Alkaline. When it comes to Aidonia now, Aidonia has nothing in consistency. However, Aidonia do well because we still at about Aidonia 2025 and Aidonia was long time ago. So the fact we say him still relevant in 2025 shows say the depth of Aidonia and the talent we have. However, remember say Aidonia go through him thing with him youth, him lose him youth, so we are give him a pass. But when you said you can't get compared to other artists, Aidonia, I think your ego get this up and make you talk that because you have artists who bust after you will create more impact than you in a dancehall, like a Massacre and an Alkaline.
So people, share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about what Nika Fire is saying. And as you know, we're at the end of the vlog. And you know what to do already. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. I know already, man. A Vybz and Inside with another one and another banging episode. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace. Work good.